Alright, quick video, but I think my neighbors are down there yelling at somebody. But you see that dot right there? That is a light switch light. Same size as a light switch, looks just like a light switch, but it has LEDs on it and takes batteries. And I'm gonna shoot it. And I was trying to shoot a different little light earlier, and I couldn't because I couldn't see my crosshair. But I have a battery now for my scope, which is awesome. That is just badass. I love it. Now, watch, I bet I can get it on the first shot. Let's see if I can take it out. I have no idea how far that is. Can you hear them yelling? I think they're yelling about who's been fucking the horses the most. But I got steaks on the grill. I got bacon wrapped steak on the grill. Alright. See if I can pop this light out on the first shot. Alright. Yeah, I was trying to hit a fidget spinner light, little tiny thing about the size of a nickel earlier. Could not hit it for shit. Oh man, I can zoom in real good with the scope. Oh my god, I love it. Like, it's blind. I can see the crosshairs with that light. I couldn't see them with the... Oh, let's see, first shot. Oh, hey, I hit that. I hit that. It didn't kill it, but I hit it. I know I hit it. I synced it. Send it. Alright. Oh, I hit it again. They are in there making all kind of noise. What are they doing in there? I don't know. Alright. Man, that light is tough. Oh, I knocked it down. Well. Alright, I'm going to pause it for a second. Let's go get it. Alright, I'm going to turn the flash on here so I can see where I'm going. I was going to try to walk down here without it, but that's not going to happen today. Oh god, I'm slipping in the mud. Oh shit, I almost died. Yeah, I didn't go this fast earlier, but I'm trying to save time on this video. Oh. Look at that stick right there from me shooting stuff. Like, it's just, there's like all kinds of sticks that have bullet holes and shit. Like this one. It's been hit several times. Look at that one, it's broken half from shooting at that. That poor tree right there's got all kind of lead in it. Alright. The light is still on. Oh, yeah, that was gross. I know. I don't care. Damn, I knocked it behind where I had it sitting. Man, that's crazy. Turn this off for a second. Well, there's actually a hole there. I know I hit it more than once. Look, it actually broke that LED, but it still works. That's crazy. Well, look, you can't see my window because I got the light out. But I need to see how far this is. I think it's like 30 yards maybe. 30 or 35. Just trying to bait some squirrels. I've seen a bunch of videos on YouTube of eating them and shit, so I'm just gonna try it. I haven't done it yet. Well, there's that one thing I was trying to shoot. It fell down. But yeah, check out this rain. That's cool, right? My phone is getting wet. It's probably gonna die. Hey. Alright, pause you guys for a second. Work.